In this video, I'll show you how to lock YouTube on LG TV. Step 1. Go to All Settings. Press the Settings button on your remote. Navigate to All Settings for detailed options. Step 2. Access Safety or Lock Settings. Go to General section. This may vary by model. Select Safety or Lock to open parental control options. Step 3. Set or input your PIN. Enter your password. If you haven't set one, establish a PIN for security. Step 4. Lock the YouTube app. Scroll to Application Locks or App List inside the Safety Lock menu. Find YouTube in the list and set it to Locked. Step 5. Save changes. Save your settings and exit the menu. Test by launching the YouTube app and confirming it now requires the password. And that is how you lock YouTube on your LG TV. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below and I'll be happy to help you. Bye.